I program my first ChatGPT that can help me to design my daily routine, my morning routine. That can help me to create a to-do list that can help me to save my birthday. That can help by giving me advice on productivity. So I'm going to run into my code.
From the top, import JSON. So import JSON, date, time, personal assistance, load memory, save memory, remember, recall, delete memory, functions, design morning routine function, give advice function, news updates, create to-do list, show to-do list one. So let me run this code and let's see how it works. So now I wait for it to load. So it says, hello marvelous, how can I assist you today? Remember birthday, recall birthday, design morning routine, give advice, create to-do list, show to-do list. Now I want to know the news update. So it says stay updated by reading the latest news from reliable source like for the latest information, check online news site or subscribe to the newsletter. Well, that is what I input inside. So now I want to remember my birthday. So remember birthday. So remember my birthday to be remember to be October 19. So got it, I will remember birthday as October 19. So and also design a morning routine for me. So here is the morning routine. Wake up at 6 o'clock a.m. Drink a glass of water. Do a 10-minute yoga. Stretch. Take a shower. Have a healthy breakfast. Plan your to-do list. Spend 15 minutes time reading or listening to a podcast. Now, and there is things that I can do. So let's create to-do list. Let's create to-do list. Please enter your tasks separated by command. So I'm going to start by work, then read, then code, then take break, okay, take a break, okay, comma, eat, that's lunch, and read. So now let me enter. So it's going to create everything that has been put into your to-do list. Then you can later show to-do list and you can assist this. Now
if you like this video, let me like this video and subscribe to this channel, and also comment on stuff that you want me to write next. I'm looking forward to your comments in the comment section. Let me comment down. So let me assist.
Now let's assist the code. Comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. Have a great day.